Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you some of my favorite soft transitions for edits. Transition 1. 2 picture pop-up. First, set up your clips in this formation. Make sure you crop your pictures how you want them and place them where you want them to pop up on your screen. Also, add drop shadow to your pictures. Optional step. You can add a white border to your pictures using a shape layer. Make sure to pre-compose each picture with its own shape layer before moving on to the next step. Now for the picture pop-up, we will create a zoom-in transition on all of the pictures. Just follow my steps. Also, to make the pop-up smoother, I like to fade in the pictures from 0% opacity all the way to 100% opacity. After you complete these steps for one picture, you can just copy and paste the keyframes onto your other picture using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Now onto the background behind the picture pop-up. Duplicate the background layer and make the top layer black and white. Then, use S_wipe circle on that black and white layer. Click the stopwatch where you want your clip to start turning black and white, and set the wipe percent to 100%. Then, place another keyframe where you want the clip to be entirely black and white, and set that wipe percent to 0. Also, add some drop shadow to this layer. Finally, as a finishing touch, you can add any overlay you want to the background. I'm going to use a firework overlay that I have linked in the description of this video. For this firework, make sure after importing it, to right-click it, hover over blending mode, and select screen. Transition 2. Paper tear. To create a paper tear transition, you first need to import one of the paper tear overlays I have linked in the description of this video. It is also important to make sure your clips are set up in this formation where they are overlapped. In order to use this overlay, search up Keylight in the Effects and Presets tab and drag it onto the overlay. Now, click the color of the overlay that corresponds to the clip you are trying to reveal with the paper tear. In this case, click the red part of the overlay. Your transition should look like this so far. Now, pre-compose the paper tear overlay with the clip you just revealed. Now repeat the same process with the other color of the overlay. So, you would drag Keylight onto the pre-composed clip, and in this case, click the green part of the overlay. Transition 3. Null slide. First, make sure your clips are in this formation. In other words, make sure they are fully overlapped. Now adjust the position of both of your clips so they are right next to each other. Your transition should look like this so far. Optional step. You can add a white line to divide your pictures using a shape layer and the pen tool. Next, create a null object layer and attach your clips to it by dragging this little squiggly line from your clip to the null object layer on all of your clips. Now, create a position keyframe and adjust the position so you fully see your first clip. Then, create another keyframe where you want the end of your slide to be and adjust the position so that you can fully see the second clip. Finally, highlight your keyframes, select Easy Ease, and make your graph look like mine. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.